Hello, welcome to our session Oracle VBCS Cloud. Today we will going to learn about web app page creation for two number. Requirement is to create a web app in Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Services that talk to number as input, perform a calculation, for example addition, and display the result. Today we will cover all topics step by step. Create a new web application, login to your VBCS environment, click create application and select web application. Provide a name for your application and click create. This is a VBCS instance page. Application display name, application name, description, then finish. Step 2 is a create a page. Go to the web application section, add a new page by click the plus icon and selecting page. Name the page, for example calculator page. This is a web page. Click the plus icon, application name and create. Step 3 is a add UI component. Drag and drop the input text, drag and drop the button component, drag and drop the text component. This is a component tab. Input text, this is a heading. Number 1 is a input text, number 2 is a input text, result is a input text, addition button is a button. Step 4 is a bind input field to variable. Go to variable to in the data panel, create a variable of type number of the input, for example number 1 and number 2. Third variable is a result. This is a variable tab, where num1, where num2, where result. Step 5 is a add event to the button. Select the button, go to the event tab and add a action chain event. In the action chain editor, drag and drop the assign variable. This is a event tab. Click the plus icon on OJ action. This is a variable, assign variable, fire notification. Step 7 is a preview and test. Save your work on click run to previous the app. This is a heading addition. User will enter the number 1 value is a 10. User will enter the number 2 value is 10. Then user hit the addition button, so the pop-up notification is success. This success. 20 is success, so the result is 20. Let's move VBCS instance. Today we will cover all topic step by step. Move to VBCS instance. This is a VBCS instance, Visual Builder application. Create a new addition application. Hit the new button. Put your application name. Suppose that, for example, xx01 underscore addition. Description, change template and finish. This is a VBCS page. Welcome to your xx01 addition Visual Builder application page. Tap on web app, click the plus icon, application names, for example addition is a application name. Then create. My application page will be open. This is a component tab. My page is ready. Go to the code section, select all code and delete. My page is blank. Go component tab, search the heading. This is a heading tab. Drag and drop the heading. Go to property. Text is addition. Heading name is addition. Size is H5. H5 is look like goods. Okay. Input the form layout. Form layout. This is a form layout component. Drag and drop the form layout component and search the input text. Input text. This is a input text. Drag and drop the input text. First input text, then second input text, and third input text. Go to form layout property. Label as is a start. Look like good, and go to all. Search the density. Density is a compact. They look good. Drag the button. This is a button. Change the input text name. Number one. Second input text name is number 2. Third input text is a result. Sorry. Number 2. Third input text name is a result. Put your name result, and button action label is put your submit. Look good. Change the color. Call to action. Look like good. Tab on live button. This is a live page. Tab on design. Go to variable data panel. Hit the plus icon. Create a 3 variable. First variable is a var num1. Second variable is a var num2. Third variable is a var result. Then go to page designer. This is a page designer. This is a action chat. This is a event listener. This is a event. This is a type. This is a variable. Go to page designer and put your variable value. Put your input text value. This is tap on input text. Go to data. Fix the value. Value is num1. Second input text. Go to data. Fix the value num2. Third is result. Input text result input text is go to general, only read only. Okay, my Input text is ready. Go to submit button, click the event, click the plus icon. This on OJ action. Click the plus icon, drag the assign variable. This is a assign variable. So the result value is var num1 this type is bracket number 1 bracket close plus two number is plus bracket num2 close the bracket, then save. Drag the fire notification. This is a 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 fire notification. Summary is result successful. Result successful. Successful. Message will so the variable put the result. This result. Display mode is good. Notification type is confirmation. This is a variable. Assign the variable num1 and num2. Num1 and num2 is the assigned variable. Notification is a result successful. Go to the design mode. My application is ready. Go to preview page and live mode. This is a header, this is a footer, addition is a heading, number 1, number 2 result and submit. User will enter the num1 value is 10, num2 value is 10 and hit the submit button. So the pop-up notification is success. Click the submit button. Result is 20. So the notification is result successful is 20. My application is ready. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.